It's Miss Baroker. We are going to get ready and do our next lesson. So go ahead and open up your Chapter 5 workbook. We're going to be doing page 353 and 355. So if you want to rip out both pages, you can. If not, flip to that page. 353 and 300. All right. Okay. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause the video. If not, let's get started. Okay. Flip on over to the back of that first page. Like always, that purple box is there to help you out. So if you get to this lesson and you're still confused, go back to that purple box, see if that can help you, okay? But let's just go ahead and go down to problem 1. So today we're going to be doing more double-digit subtraction. The only difference is today we have to write the problem. We have to rewrite it. So we did this for addition. We're going to do it for subtraction too. So it says rewrite the subtraction problem, then find the difference. So number 1 is 37 minus 4. So we need to rewrite 37 minus 4. And remember, that 4 is in the 1, so it has to stay on the 1 side, right? Here's all the 1s, here are the 10s. Make sure that you don't get confused, right? Because if we have that 4 over there, it's going to be a much different answer. So 4 is with the 1s because it's a 1. Now that we have it all set up, we can go ahead and start subtracting. If you want to put that line down the middle, if that helps you, put the line down the middle. Then we have 7 minus 4. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? More on the top. No need to stop. We're good to go. So we can do 7 minus 4. Go ahead and try and solve that. The answer is 3. And then we have 3 minus nothing. So 3 minus nothing equals 3. And our answer is 33. Okay, number 2, we have 48 minus 24. We need to rewrite that. So we have 48 minus 24. Again, if you want to put that line down the middle, put the line down the middle. Then we have 8 minus 4. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? More on the top. No need to stop. So we have 8 minus 4. Go ahead and try and solve that for me. It is 4. And then 4 minus 2. 2. Answer 24. All right, number 3, we have 85 minus 37. We're going to rewrite it. Put that line down the middle if you want. Then we have 5 minus 7. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door. So we have to regroup. So we're going to go over to those 10s. There's 8 10s. We're going to take one of those 10s. It's another 7. And we're going to add one of those 10s, or break it up into, that's kind of hard to see. Let me just rewrite 15 over here to 10 ones. So now we have 15 ones over here. So 15 minus 7 equals what? 8. And then 7 minus 3? 4. All right, let's keep on going. Number 4, 63 minus 19. We got to rewrite it. Add the line if you want to. 3 minus 9. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door. So we got to regroup. So we're going to go over to those 10s. Cross out that 6. We had 6 10s. We're taking one of those 10s. So now we have 5 10s. And we're taking that 10 and adding it over to the 1. So now we have 13 1s. So 13 minus 9. And 13 minus 9 equals 4. And 5 minus 1. 4. Good. All right, I want you to try 5 through 8 on your own. Rewrite those problems, and we'll. So pause the video, and then we'll check and see how we did. All right, see you in just a few minutes. All right, I'm back. I went ahead and did 5 through 8 on my own. Go ahead and check your answers, pause the video, see how you did. If you need to make any corrections, make those corrections. And once you've made those corrections and checked all your work, go ahead and unpause the video and we'll keep moving along, okay? But pause it, check your work, and then let's keep going, okay? Pause. All right, hopefully you've paused your work, you've checked your answers. Let's go on to the on your own page. Let's do one more together just to like double check that we know what we're doing. So let's do 49 minus 8. So we have to rewrite it 49 minus 8. 8 is a 1, so it has to stay on with the ones, right? It doesn't go here. It's not 80, it's 8. So it's got to go with the ones. Now we have 9 minus 8. Is there more on the top or more on the floor? More on the top. No need to stop. So we can go ahead and solve. So 9 minus 8 equals what? 1. And then we have 4 minus nothing. 4 minus nothing equals 4. Answer is 41. Okay? Now I want you to go through and do 10 through 20 on your own. And then when you unpause the video, you'll check my answers and see how you did. Okay? Go ahead, get started, and I will see you in probably like 10 minutes because there's a lot of problems. All right. Try your best. All right, second grade, I went through and I completed this page. Let's make sure you can see all of it. So I want you to do is pause this video, check your work, make sure that yours looks like mine. If not, make your corrections, and then keep on going, okay? If you need more help, go ahead and re-watch the video, see if that helps. Look at that purple box. Ask a grown-up or an older sibling at home, and I'm sure they'll be able to help you, okay? All right, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you very soon. Bye!